What's up guys, today we are looking at the UADME multi-tool keychain. It's 12 in 1 and it's a folding multi-tool. It's made from stainless steel. It's pretty heavy. I thought it was going to be more compact pocket size. It is pocket size I guess, but it is pretty hefty. It has this carabiner here. It can also be used as a bottle opener with this part here. It's a bit dirty here. I think that's just some sellotape or something. Okay, so we have 1/8 inch measurement here. 1/8 inch. Oh, these are increments of 1/8 inch. So we'll have an inch in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's an inch. Then we have 5 millimeters. These are 5 millimeter increments. Is that right? Oh, it is. Yeah, half centimeter. So then we have 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So we have 2 rulers on each side. You have, let me just fan this completely out. That plate back here is quite filthy. Don't know what the deal is with that. Oh, the inches extend there, so they'd be 1/4 inch then. Oh, that's quite nice. Is it written? No, it's not written anywhere. On the other side? Anyway, no. Okay, so we have this, looks like a hex bit. Let me just bring up the, yeah, so this is a hex screwdriver bit. Oh, so this only connects to the bits. Actually, I have my, no, I don't have, this is a reverse. I don't think, is there an actual measurement of it? No. 5 mil, 6 mil. It's kind of rounded, it's hard to tell, but it's about 5 or 6 mil hex key. I'll close that. And then we have this, ooh, kind of sharp on one side. Is this TSA safe? I don't know. It's not a full blade. It's like an awl tool, I guess. You could sharpen it, but I guess that's not the point of this. Yeah, this is not a smooth blade. It's like an awl tool. Here, the next part we have looks like a star key. What did they have it called? Yeah, star screwdriver. I'm not familiar with these sizes, so it looks pretty big. Maybe a 5 or 6 as well. It has a SIM card tool. I thought this was a mini hex key, but it's not. It's the pin that you use to unlock or, you know, slide out the SIM card tray of your phone. Then we have a large Phillips screwdriver. We have a mini Phillips head screwdriver, and then we have the regular head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a smaller flathead screwdriver. Probably use these for prying. Oh, the measurements also here, 5 millimeters. So we have 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. Quite handy. I wish it was a lot cleaner. I hope it's not a second-hand item. It's like it's been scratched up. Looks like it's been used because there's nothing else in this packaging to scratch it up. Okay, let's look at some of the reviews. Okay, so it's great for opening bottles, bike repair, mobile phone. Oh, okay, so that little blade thing is geared towards unboxing things. Because it's kind of, yeah, it kind of has a tip to it. Could be used. It's quite stiff. In terms of trying to pop it out. So back here, you'll push whatever tool you'll need, or what you push most of them out, and then you'll get what you want. You can tighten this. It looks like a star screwdriver here, or you can use a hex maybe. Back to the reviews. I don't know if I mentioned the price. I bought it for about, I think, £11, 10 or £11. Quality, pros is good quality, cons is the size, but if you go any smaller it's kind of not useful. It's nice and handy, holds in the hand. So the dimensions for this is 3.7 centimeters, yeah, 3.7, or 1.5 inch in width, And the length is 8.8 centimeters. Yeah, 8.8 centimeters, 3.5 inches. Yeah. And I think this will prove useful. The only thing is the weight. It's quite heavy. Like, I can't imagine having this in my pocket the whole time. It could be a fidget tool. Just kind of flicking these in and out, but you'll loosen them over time. Maybe flick this as a fidget tool, but then the spring might loosen over time. Okay, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.